You guys need to help us out. We don't know, so please help us figure this out. Alright, so just went to Tractor Supply, picked up stuff. We're kind of preparing to leave for our trip. So we're gonna go feed these animals. Look at them all. They're all waiting. Yesterday, as you guys know, Tom and Rhonda are out of town, so Jared went and mowed their yard, and there was a lot of free food. So we got our old feed bags, filled up some bags. Since we'll be out of town, Jared can just come out, dump a bag, and we're good. So we were stocked up on food, so we're good with that. So let's go feed all the little dudes. As you guys know, we started feeding them in bowls and stuff, and it's going well. I still need to figure out some kind of trough thing, but this will work, as you can tell. And lately, my luck hasn't been all that great. And if you know me, you know I don't buy clothes, I don't do any of that stuff. And look at this, guys. Blowout. And yes, right off the bat, I ain't wearing socks, because if I got holes in my shoes, why am I gonna wear socks? Because they're just gonna get dirty. So I gotta buy me a new pair of shoes. As you guys know, like my boots, I wear them till they are tore up, and these are my only pair. So it's time for a new pair of shoes, a new pair of shoes. So on that note, let's go see if there's any eggs. Oh, say no, man. Ooh, we got 2 duck eggs under there. I was wondering if this was gonna happen or not. Oh man.
You cracked?
Yeah. One looked like it had a hard time coming out.
Ooh.
But the other ones came out pretty nice and clean.
Cool, now I can make some tacos for breakfast. For breakfast.
So we don't know why our quail are not laying eggs. So we are going to try and sex them real quick and then separate them, and we're going to show you what we think is a male or female, even though we're not 100% sure. And then you let us know if we were correct or not, so we could start to separate them and hopefully get some eggs out of these guys. If not, they're gonna become our dinner. So I'm not 100% sure on these, but I think this would be a female because I don't see any speckles on the breast area, and I think that means a male. So I believe that this guy is a male because all the speckles on his chest. So if we're correct, please let us know, because we need to start separating these guys. So would this be a male or female? It's not really speckled, it's just the color.
Yeah, it's hard to say.
So possibly a female? I don't know, you guys need to let us know. So I would assume that this is a male and this is a female. Are these 2 different breeds? Or are they the same thing and one's a male, one's a female? You guys need to help us out. We don't know. So please help us figure this out, because this is our last chance with quail.
Stainer.
So we don't have a whole lot going on today other than we're trying to go out and get ready for this trip. We need to go do an oil change, clean out the truck, do all that type of stuff, work on the truck, get it to where it needs to be for the trip. And then, you know, we went and got the animal feed and stuff. But guys, if you did the GoFundMe platform thing that we did, we were selling jewelry and stuff like that. We had, you know, mystery stuff like that. Please, if you did it, please send your your home address or P.O. box or whatever to the email thecrockerhomestead@aol.com. That way we can actually send you something. Some of you have done it, some of you haven't. And if you choose not to send us your address, then, you know, that's fine and all, but we do want to send you something. So please, if you're on the fence on it, just send it to us so we can send you something. But we are super excited about that trip. We are going to head out early Thursday and do all that. So again, guys, from Dallas to North Carolina, that's a lot of driving. We're going to go up through Memphis, Nashville, not sure where else up there that way, and then down to Asheville, North Carolina. So if you're in that line, please let us know if you want to do a meetup. That way we can start picking the best places. We need to know now so we can go ahead and get that all situated so everyone knows. But we are super excited about that. And then we also have something that I wanted to show you guys, is our t-shirts that we created. It's watch YouTube and join the Crocker Homestead. And this is the front. It's got our logo and everything. And then that's the back. And what you can see it like that. We have it for $16, or you can get a hoodie for $33. But the cool part with this is we're literally making zero on this. We cut the price down as low as it could possibly go. We're not making a profit. Teespring is, because they gotta make the shirt, create the shirt, ship the shirt, all the work. We're not doing anything, and so they're getting a profit. We're not. We put it rock bottom prices, and we're hoping, you know, if you wanted a t-shirt, we think that's a cool one. It's got our new logo, it's got YouTube, all that stuff on there. And I'm pretty sure Jared bought some for us to wear, and we're going to wear them out to the meetups and all that stuff, the Mother Earth News Fair. And then, I don't know if you guys know, but Keeping It Dutch and Arms Family, they're doing a meetup on the 5th, right? May 5th. And I forgot the exact town, but they're going to do that. And we're going to go to that also. And so Jared's pretty pumped about that since he's not able to go to this other one. And so, guys, if you want to meet us or meet some of these other cool YouTubers, we're going to be at the meetup for Sow the Land and Justin Rhodes and Crocker Homestead and all them. And then we're going to go to Keeping It Dutch and Arms Family. And so, you know, please just let us know if you want to meet somewhere. If, you know, you haven't sent us your address, if you want some t-shirts, if you basically click on our video, our videos will play, and then it's literally, so it's our video, and then literally underneath it is our stuff. And again, no profit. We're not making anything off this. We're just getting the opportunity for you guys to wear our shirts, and we think that's cool. We're very honored that a lot of you have already bought our t-shirts. That's just an update. We don't have a whole lot going on today. We got a lot of just planning and getting ready for the trip, so we're gonna be super busy doing that. Guys, again, please give us your address. Let us know where you want to meet up. If you go to the meetup, come say hi to us, because we're not gonna be able to know your face. You know our faces better than we know yours, so please come say hi to us. And we just can't wait. We're super excited. So we will see you guys on tomorrow's vlog. Hopefully it'll be a little more interesting. I think it will. So we'll see you tomorrow. I think Jaylena's gonna cook up some eggs that we just collected, so I don't really know what all that was about, because you don't chop eggs up. So we'll see you tomorrow before I go crazy.
So, in case you guys haven't noticed, in some of our videos we have started to display the things that you guys have sent to us. So we are going to do this on this entire wall, and this is all going to be things that you guys have sent to us. Like, we haven't got these up yet, but these are super cute. And so we have some of these adorable little kitchen towels that we're gonna find a good place for.
And then we got these over here that our neighbor made.
We absolutely love everything that we've gotten, so we're really excited to fill this whole wall up. So if you guys want to keep up with us on social media, all of our links will be down in the description below. And if you guys like our videos, feel free to hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And just to show you guys how much these things actually truly mean to us, we keep the guns right next to the display. If you want this stuff, you gotta come through me.
Dang, bro.